Hey, this is Eli, and in this video we're going to cover refilling your soapstone. So inside the box you'll find the instructions, a brown envelope, your leap of choice, and of course soapstone itself. Inside the brown envelope is your refill stick. Also in the envelope are spare filters and a spare seal, so keep it safe. Turn soapstone so that the cap is facing the ground and unscrew it, rotating it counterclockwise. Take the body off, and now using the refill stick with the flat side facing downwards, push the small plastic disc down to the bottom of soapstone. This isn't necessary for me because this is my first time refilling soapstone and the disc has already been pushed down. I'm pouring liquid to the top surface of soapstone. I've overfilled it a little bit, so I'm just going to decant the smallest amount of liquid back out. Now take the body and place it back over the button and turn it clockwise. It's important to screw soapstone on extremely tightly, so take your time to do this properly. Now I'm ready to prime the device. So holding it so that the logo is facing downwards and the button upwards, I'm going to start pumping soapstone quickly. Once liquid starts to be expelled, I'm going to flip the direction so that the logo now faces the ceiling and repeat those steps. Soapstone is expelling sanitizer consistently in both orientations, which means it's now ready for use.